Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Abst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Mailchimp. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mailchimp application on your device and you will see the login as well as the sign up button. If you don't already have an account, you can click on sign up free to get started with creating your account. Otherwise, click on login in order to sign into your existing account. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your username within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then tap on the next button and you will be logged into your Mailchimp account right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on account login and you will be allowed to reset your credentials as well. After entering your password and clicking on the next button, you will be asked to enter the SMS verification code that has been sent to you. So check your phone which you use to register for your account and you will find the verification code. After entering this code within the given screen, you will be logged in to your Mailchimp account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Mailchimp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.